Ay, yan na. Ay. Sira naman, oh. Sira na. Oy! Oy, Tan! Tan. Anak ko po, ito na po. Avatar State!
Don't worry, Dad.
Ang bira, naging Final Fantasy na yung Resident Evil.
I've got this.
Oh!
My dad.
Yes! Gets mo na, no?
Don't give up, Rose. Find that crystal.
Yes. Siya ang iyong ama.
Because of him, I can keep going.
Yeah. Diba napaka-nice, Rose? Napaka-nice.
I have to find that crystal.
Okay, sige, let's go. Hindi ko alam kung bakit sobrang gustong-gusto mo parang tanggalin yung powers mo after.
But I have to keep going.
Ito nga yung ginagamit natin para kalabanin yung mga kalaban, Rose eh. Teka, saan na ba tayo pupunta? Dito na ako. Dito tayo. Okay. So, saan na ba tayo pupunta nito, mga chong? Ayos tong bonding nila mag-ama. Ay, kumuha na tayo mo. Binibigyan tayo ng maraming bala, mukhang marami tayo kakalabanan dito ah. Oh.
Where the hell am I?
Pambira.
What is this place?
Ano to? Tsokolate ba itong mga to? Laki nun. Ano ba yung Mutamycin? Oh, dito tayo nag-start eh. Dito tayo nag-start nung... Sino yun? Sino yun? Si Ethan ba yun? Ay, di ako yun!
What?
Ano ibig sabihin nun? Oh, okay. So, napunta pa tayo kung saan tayo nagsimula.
Me,
You are all me.
just like in the castle.
What? Bumangon. Kakalabanan ko yung mga ano ko. Nahihinaan ako sa baril natin. Talsik! Ang lakas na ng powers natin ngayon.
I'm even stronger than before.
Nice! Buti tinaray ko yun. So, the more na inaayawan yung tanggalin yung powers niya, the more naman nag-grow yung powers niya ngayon dahil ginagamit natin dito eh. Diba? So, ewan ko na kung si Miranda yun ah. Bukas si Miranda yun. Shucks. Pumasok ako doon.
Time for this!
Di ko na alam ah kung after dito kung kakamuhian niya pa rin yung powers niya. Come on.
I need to find it.
Okay, so ano pa rin talaga siya. Gusto niya pa rin tanggalin yung powers niya. So palalim na tayo ng palalim. So sabi nga kanina ni paring Ethan, the more na mas malalim tayo, the more na mas mahirap na tayong makalabas sa stratum na to. So ito yung Megamycete.
Is this where those copies of me came from?
Oh, okay. Pwede ko ito marilin? Hindi. Siya tinatablan. Kadiri din ah.
Someone's been here.
So, sa palagay ko I had intended to duplicate Rosemary Winters. So, basahin nga natin to para maintindihan natin kung bakit. I had intended to duplicate Rosemary Winters with the hope that a perfect replica might serve as a suitable vessel. However, the results were less than ideal. It would seem that some sort of interference is preventing me from creating a suitable replica. Instead, I have succeeded in making what is essentially a living doll. It resembles the real thing, yes, but has no power. Such a pathetic husk could never prove suitable as a vessel. I will continue my efforts in hopes of discerning the source of this interference. Several hypotheses have come to mind thus far, The fact that Rose herself is still alive, some other actor within this realm, a flaw in my methods of production. So may si Miranda to. None of this seems especially likely to be the sole reason, nor are any of them easy problems to solve. Perhaps my best hope is to somehow bring Rose into this realm. Oh, where is she to offer herself as a vessel? It would be so simple. Additional observation for the experiments with the Rose copies as I've taken to calling this has have yielded another interesting wrinkle to pursue. When subjected to situations invoking extreme terror, they actually begin to express some semblance of Rose abilities. This warrants more research, and I think that my first creation, the mask. Oh, I see. Buti nilang binasa ko siya. Buti nilang binasa ko. Hello, bossing. Is just the one to perform this stress test. I see. Wala lang. Kaya ganito yung big reaction. Kaya big yung reaction ko kasi we know na si paring Duque ay isang mabait na kaibigan ni Ethan. And then magugulat ka, bigla siya kontrabida dito sa loob ng, di ba, ng consciousness na to. Okay. Wait lang, parang may gusto akong hintayin. Hinihintay ko yung pagbuga doon sa kay Rose. Teka lang wait lang natin. Ilabas mo. Ay, ayun na. Ayun no. So, ito yun. Ay, ito pala siya. Yak. Yak na lang, yak. So, gets ko na. So, yung nakausap natin kanina, it's either si Miranda na alam natin na kayang katulad ng kaya mag-mistake, or kakampi siya ni Miranda. Ayun lang yun. Wait lang. That pull I've been feeling is close, but I just can't go any further. I thought I had made it when I saw that blue light, but no, not quite. It only, hindi ko alam kung anong ibig sabihin na to. Michael. Not Michael, it's your dad. It's your dad, man. It's Ethan! Si Ethan yun.
It's through here.
Okay. Ito na. Amazing, man. So, yung kanina, again, it's either si Rose, si Miranda yon, yung kaninang lalaki doon sa opening scene, or
This one's the real deal.
kakampi ni Miranda.
I can feel it.
Okay. Matalino nga naman talaga si Miranda, no? Pero paano siya nagkaroon ng ganung klaseng power? Since patay na siya, di ba? Paano siya nakakatapak sa mundo ng mga tao? At nilid si Rose dito. Di pa rin siya sumusuko kahit sa kamatayan na, no? Okay, so unti-unti na ata nawawala yung kapangyarihan. Okay, kapangyarihan ni Rose. Napaka-cool pa din nung dito niya. I'm not sure kung siguro sa buong katawan niya ba may ganito siya, or ano ba? Siguro, no?
Oh my god.
Wala na yung powers niya. Chong.
Is this what normal feels?
Kaso lang kung dito si Miranda, kailangan natin ng powers natin. Di ba? At dito pa si Miranda. Andito nga siya, mga chong. Ito na nga ba't sinasabi natin eh. Pero 'di ba naapektuhan si Miranda ng power ni Rose?
Who are you?
Siya nga lang pala yung pinatay ng
My
tatay
name
mo.
is Miranda.
Ang masarap na soft drinks.
You had become so far too powerful for me to subdue.
Okay.
So, I had to lure you into this realm
Alright.
so that you might willingly.
Cute ni Rose.
No. But Kay said
Did he? Or did I?
Si Kay pala, di ba? Si Kay pala hindi okay.
Was an illusion.
Oh.
Very convincing, wouldn't you say?
So for the whole time, during that
Now you
moment.
can become the vessel for my evil!
Di pa rin siya sumusuko kay Iba. Hanggang kamatayan. Bira naman, Miranda. Oy! Oy, Ethan! Exciting ko ito mga... Exciting ko yung mga nangyayari. Kasi si Ethan ay palipangita yung mukha. Eh, pati pakita mo nga ni Ethan.
Even he can manifest. He can save you, Rose!
Alright, the father and the daughter tandem. Let's go.
You can't escape!
Come on, Ethan. Papa Ethan.
Me.
Woo!
Dad, wait.
Oh,
Is
Dad!
it really you?
Yes, but right now.
Come on, come on! Let's go,
Run!
let's go. Come on, come on. Really love it. Let's go, Papa Ethan.
Rose!
Okay, okay. Ben, kung alam mo yung ano, yung story din, 'di ba? Nakaka-touch.
Thanks.
Dito sila ngayon, no, magkasama.
Why didn't you tell me who you really were? Why'd you let me call you Michael?
I didn't want to complicate things.
Okay.
I just needed you safe.
Tama, syempre marami siyang question, 'di ba? Mas maganda nang focus siya doon sa paghahanap ng crystal
And
na
I'm
'yon.
sorry I left you alone. But I had to find a way out.
Nice. At bakit
And I did.
yeah,
It's just ahead.
ito lang yung question ko, bakit kailangan niya mag-form ng ganun na... Ay, yan na. Ay. Ba't di siya kagad naging tao? Na ganyan, na visible. Baka nakakalimutan mo si Ethan.
Away from my daughter.
Get away from my daughter! From my family! Alright!
Come on.
Hindi lang si Vin Diesel ang may karapatan dito sa mga pamilya-pamilya. Hindi lang si Vin Diesel ang may family. Let's go! Papa, uwi na tayo! Ay, pambira. Papayin muna natin tong ano. Papayin muna natin to.
Ethan, persistent as always.
Dad!
Rose, now's your chance. Go live a normal life. Make friends. No one will ever call you a freak again.
Make friends.
Rose, just go!
Para sa mga kaibigan.
I don't want to leave you!
I know. I love you. But I need to know you're safe. So
Bakit
please,
bawal pa ipakita yung mukha ni Ethan?
I got this. Get out of
Okay,
here.
mga katapasan na to, mga chong. Ito na. Oh, Ethan! Ah! What? Naku. Teka, bakit ganito ako mag-react? Patay na si Ethan, ah. Pinasa niya yung kristal. Ah, naku po, ito na po. Ah! Avatar State!
Don't worry, Dad.
Ang bira, naging Final Fantasy na yung Resident Evil.
I've got this.
Naging Final Fantasy na yung Resident Evil. Ah, let's go! I will defeat you!
In the heart of my domain. Foolish.
Paano daw?
How intense
Oh! Oy!
eh? I think they just might.
Paano yun? Oh!
There's no shame.
Ah, teka lang. May pinag-aaralan ko pa ang aking powers.
There will be wailing and gnashing.
Teka lang, paano ba yun? Paano yung ginagawa ko? Aray! Teka lang. Di ko pa alam yung... Di ko pa kabisado yung powers ko eh. Saglit lang ha. Paano yun?
There's nothing.
Ayun! Ganun! Ay, iilang ako. Yun, ganun. Okay. Yun.
Here I come.
Alright. Here I come. Okay, sige, game! Aray! Bakit? Ba't di gumana yung powers ko?
This is
Ayun oh! Woo! Cool! Ang bira. Final Fantasy, Resident
why
Evil.
you
Resident Evil present Final Fantasy. Absorb. Incoming projectiles. Ano ba yung projectiles?
can save your
Ah, ito! Ah, yun! Pwede ko i-absorb.
This will also
Okay. Oh! Ah! Bugs! Oh, panis! Panis ka, my man!
Let you do this.
Panis ka! Shotgun!
What is this?
What is this? This is my power! This is my true power!
It took so much to lure you. But you're incredible. Well,
Diba? Baski man siya, napapahanga ako.
Mine when I put an end to your plans.
you will fall.
Ang hirap naman nung ano, ang hirap ng combination. Di na lang ginawang Q tsaka E eh. Yung powers sa ganun eh.
Your time is at an end.
Ganun sa puso dapat ah.
Now, become mine. I cultivated
Saan ba ako
this
nun?
world within the Megamycete to
Kailangan,
resurrect
sabayan ko yan to.
your sweet. No matter how many vessels you create,
Nanigupin natin yan! Oo! Ibalik natin sa kanya, Rose! Oh!
that is why it must be you. You are the only one who can bring her back to
Dahil mo sinasabi!
whatever it takes.
Sa pool.
Whatever I must do.
Grabe, I love the power of Rose. Huwag mo nang tanggalin to, Rose. Kailangan mo to. Nakita mo, bala lang tayo. Wait lang ha.
How do you possess such power?
Inggit ka, no? Inggit ka, sabi nga ni Asia, inggit.
Do you still
Hindi mo nila kilala ito.
There is no happy ending.
Says the wicked witch at the end of her reign.
Yun no! Tumatrash talk kasi. Tumatrash talk kasi ito. Yun lang, ano ba to?
You will never be normal. Only I understand how special you are.
This is the true normal? This is the new normal? Aray! Ito wala pa tayong gamot. This is the new normal.
You just won't give up.
Ah, higupin ko yan. Higupin ko lahat yan. Aray! Ow!
Shines inside.
What? Ba't di ko nahigup?
Makes you the perfect vessel.
Ow! Nako po. Sama na. Oo na, ako na yung perfect vessel.
Come! Be by my side!
Never! Higup lahat! May power now! Higup lahat, no?
There will be wailing and gnashing.
Timing! Kailangan ng timing, Chong! Tanggapin mo to! Nawala siya, Chong. Nawala siya. Chong. Abulo ko lang. Gusto mag-focus sa pagkain eh. Gusto ko ng pansikanton.
And you kill the only one who understands you.
Di ko pa rin magamay yung powers niya, no, ni Rose. Oh! Ano pala to? Kadiri Bender, ah! Putik Bender! Patay natin siya, Rose.
Let's see this power.
Timing! Timing! Okay, balik na sa kanya, Rose! Ito na! Tanggapin mo! Tanggapin mo ang pangapangyarihan ko.
Let's see you dodge this.
Dama, baby.
Impossible!
Imposible! Paano niya nagawa yun?
I
Yes.
shall finish.
Ibigay mo pa sa akin. Ibigay mo pa sa akin. Ano naman? Wala.
There is
Uy!
no victory.
Ay, pambira! Aray! What?
My struggle comes to fruition.
Bigla siya naging... Tatanggapin ko ba yan?
Rose! Over here!
Dad!
Kaya mamamatay pa si Ethan. Napatay na nga si Ethan eh. Wala tayong magagawa dun. Thank you.
Use this! Take her down!
Sarap. Ganito ka supportive yung asawa ko. Ay, binigay na sa kanya yung powers. Wait, pala. Binigay na sa kanya yung powers. Grabe, napaka-powerful ni Rose. Avatar State! Ito na.
Return and yield your strength to me.
Boom! Napakatindi.
So much power. You truly would have been the perfect vessel for my Eva.
Wala na, Eva.
I'm not a goddamn vessel. I'm not some stupid copy. I'm me!
I'm Rose.
And you're done.
Okay ka na, baby. This is what I'm talking about. Ay, parang yung sinisigaw niya, eh, oh. Parang itong Inception. Pangalawang beses mo na namamatay. Sa loob pa ng consciousness. Ethan. Ano kaya mangyari kay Ethan kung sakaling di siya na tinusok?
Oh my God!
Di ba at least nakita niya kanyang tatay? Samantala yung tayo naglaro kay Ethan, di pa rin natin makita yung mukha niya.
I'm there with you. And always watched over you.
Kaya wag ka mag-boyfriend Rose, yari sila kay Ethan.
All you've ever done is protect me.
Yeah.
Not this time. You lost your chance. I'm so sorry.
No. It was my choice. And I don't
Ganda na
regret it
story
one
talaga,
bit.
promise.
If I had left you, then we never would have had this chance
Yeah.
to talk face to face.
Teared eye ako, teared eye. Nakakaiyak, guys.
So it's okay.
Wala, nakakalungkot lang kasi after nung kanyang mga pinagdaanan.
I'm
Guys, nakakayak talaga eh. Ang ganda.
I'm so proud of you. I'm so very proud of you. I love you, Rose.
Talagang tinatakpan yung mukha eh, no?
I love you too, Dad.
Sa wakas. At panaginip lang lahat yon mga chong.
I'm back.
So, ganun ka deep yung connection niya sa Mutamycete, no?
I'm back.
Kaya niya pumasok sa consciousness. So, bilang pruweba na totoo ang lahat ng nangyari. Tapos di pala tayo naka-record. Abangan nyo na to sa aking Red Up channel, guys. I-upload ko to. Siyempre naman. At tapos ko na yung mga ibang mga yung village. So ayun muna i-upload ko. Tapos gagawin ko to sa susunod na week. So napakatindang story. I really love it. I really love it. Okay. So ito yung ending scene or post-credit dun sa village.
Do you think the little boy will be able to touch the moon?
Nobody can touch the moon, it's too far away.
Wait, what if he has a rocket ship?
Kabuhos ni Evelyn yung bata.
Okay, then you can touch it, but it'd be very, very cold.
Ganda niya, no? P2P, sa P2P siya.
Silly. I don't think that.
P2P bus. Hindi guys, ang ganda ng ganda ng story, promise. Style yung tatay niya. So, yung post-credit pala, ay pala yung naging response after nung mga nangyari na yun.
Happy birthday.
Put family before. Actually, ang ganda ng nung
Sorry, I
personality ni
missed last
Ethan. Talagang, ang ganda nung
I have
nakalagay
a
din
lot
kasi,
of tests coming up.
who put family
You know
first.
this.
Parang gano'n na tayo nakalagay doon. Ang totoo naman, di ba? Yung sa Resident Evil 7, hinahanap niya naman si
Goddamn devil.
Mia. Resident Evil 8,
Close.
si Rose.
I love you.
Okay, so tinanggap niya na yung duty niya kay Chris. So dahil nga sa powers na meron siya, so
Yeah, I found her.
magagamit siya sa mga mission, no?
Day of all days. We have a situation. You're needed. Evelyn.
Napaka-rude na
Don't
agent.
you ever call me that again.
Whoa, it's just a joke, Rose.
I can show you things even Chris doesn't know I can do.
Tinanggap niya na yung powers niya sa script na yun.
Stand down. I can handle it. She's just a kid.
Are you sure that you can handle it?
Way to keep it
Nakita mo
together.
naman kung gaano ka-powerful si Rose. Pambira, napakatindi.
You're a lot like him, you know.
Kasi hindi ko na makita yung mga, yung mga parang tattoo niya dito.
I know.
Nauyot pa. So, ayun, katulad ng sinabi ko nung katulad ng sinabi ko nung nakaraan, parang mayroong nakita dito sa scene na to na naglalakad na lalaki. Ayun, no? So, sinususpect nila na si Ethan yan. So, I really love the game, guys. Not only the game, not only the graphics, very well. Yung talagang pagkakagawa ng Capcom dito sa game na to. So, deserve nito talaga itong series na to sa Resident Evil franchise. Talaga masabi mo sinave ng Resident Evil 7 yung yung franchise ng Resident Evil. So yun guys, thank you so much for watching this live game streaming. I really appreciate you staying with me here. Ayun nga, katulad na sinabi ko kanina, ito muna yung last na lalaruin natin yung Resident Evil. Tapos ay series natin sa Resident Evil mula nagsimula ako mag-stream. Ayan, tapos na natin siya. Ending na, Shadow of Rose. So, ang ganda ng game. So, naka 2 hours and 30 minutes tayo for the completion. Ayun, ginugulo na ako ng anak ko dito. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of your night, guys. Thank you.